Hey guys, welcome back to Driven to Compete channel. I thought it would be fun today. I'm over here at Jimmy's. We're gonna do a pretty much. I want to give an in-depth review of what all we've done to Project Hatchback. It's been a while since I did a significant update. I was over here about a week ago, and I threw Jimmy on the spot, and I had him shoot a video, a very short video, which I thought would be fun because to put that up, just because I caught him off guard. So let's take a minute, we'll watch that, and then we'll get into a pretty in-depth update on what we're doing here.
Welcome to Compete channel. My name is v-tec, and this is the update to the hatchback build.
There you go, you did all right. So here we have it, guys. I know this has been a long overdue. I'm going to zoom out here. So Jimmy has put the front mount intercooler in, the radiators in. I'm going to use some light here. We're in the process. He's doing a semi-wire tuck. So we'll show you this side better here.
Oh, it's just my brand new front end. No
Yeah.
big deal.
So there you go. It's a lot cleaner. What we tried to do is we tried to eliminate wires. Jim's doing a great job with that. And as you can see in here, Jimmy did his, he made all this himself. I'm kind of proud of him for doing that. So he made his own manifold. And as we talked about in some of our other videos, he did his own port and polish work on his head, built the motor himself. And here we are. So check this out. He's got a dump tube there going straight down. That's kind of cool. All of his piping. It's a real clean build. I'm excited for him to get it done, which is why I've been over here today. We're just trying to lend a little help, but as you can see, it's not that far from being done. He eliminated his power brake booster, you know, just trying to clean it up a little bit, and I really think it's coming together well. And yes, here's his grill. Let me hold this up, Jimmy. And we did have to modify the grill. We cut it out. Jim's gonna mount that up for you here. We trimmed the center out. Actually, I had the pleasure of doing that because Jim was a little nervous about it. And that fits wonderful. I'm real happy about that. I mean, overall, the car's coming together. It's a lot of work. As you can see, we still got to put fenders on it, hood, a bunch of things like that. And the inside's still gutted, but you can see there, new shifter linkage. It was an automatic car. He's made it a manual car now. So a lot of work's already done to the car, but still a lot to go. Just wanted to show you there the new mounts. You can see underneath there the new shifter linkage, rods and such. I mean, it's all coming together. Right there's the guy who did it. And I'm very happy. Let me zoom in here one more time so you get a better look at that stuff. There you can see it. It is coming together. And I'm excited to hear this thing finally run when the time comes.
Film, you gotta show the candy.
Oh yeah, the candy. Gotta show the candy. So you guys have it. It's a work in progress. Long overdue. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead, tell them. Thanks for watching the channel. Driven to Compete.
Watch the channel, subscribe.
Are
He
you-
needs some subscribers, guys.
I need all the help I can get,
yeah,
right?
he does. So
All right.
he's gonna have to try and get that Mustang to keep up with this thing. So
Yep.
help him out.
You know it. So there you have it, guys.